Where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling young one? I've stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard, and it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain are gonna fall. What did you see, my blue-eyed son? What did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. I saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men with their hammers bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children, and it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's a hard, it's a hard rain are gonna fall. What do you do now, my blue-eyed son? What do you do now, my darling young one? Going back out before the rain starts a-falling, and I walk to the depths of the deepest black forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding their waters, where the home in the valley meets the damp, dirty prison, where the executioner's face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, where black is a color, where none is the number. And I'll tell it and I'll think it, and I'll speak it, and I'll breathe it, and reflect it from the mountain so all souls can see it. Then I'll stand on the ocean until I start sinking, and I know my song well before I start singing, 'cause it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's a hard rain.